Let's test out the HTVRONT Tumbler Auto Heat Press. We're going to sublimate a frosted glass, a 20-ounce skinny tumbler, and 2 ceramic mugs that are 12 ounces. I have them prepped and ready to go. I'm just going to add some butcher paper. This is to protect my press from any ink bleed. For the frosted glass can, we're going to start with 380 degrees for 240 seconds. As you can see, it automatically closes once you push the button, and when it's done, it opens up. Of course, it's very hot, so you need to use your gloves. And here's the first one we did. Super cute, came out perfect. No complaints. I just love that little cow. Now we're going to increase the temperature by 5 degrees, and we're going to change the time to 360 seconds. With this press, you can sublimate 2 mugs at the same time, so we're going to do that. I'm going to slide one on each end, push it through, and then push the button. Again, it'll close, and then it'll open when it's done. Let's see how they turned out. I think I could have done these at 380 degrees because the paper did get a little bit browned, but the print came out nice. So just test out your substrates, but both of these came out perfect. We're going to leave the temperature at 385, but we're going to reduce the time to 120. This is a full print design, so we're going to need to rotate it 180 degrees after it's done with the first pass, and then we're going to press it again for another 120 seconds. And so let's take this out and see how it did. Hardest part is removing all this tape, but as you can see, it came out very nice. Another cute cow print. So I hope you find this little test run helpful. I think this is a very easy to use machine. You might need to adjust your times and temperatures accordingly to your substrates and your prints and paper, but I think they all came out very nicely. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and follow for more.